Alright, I had a flat, as most little old lawnmowers do, and so I pulled it off to fix it, and or actually my son pulled it off to fix it, and we discovered that, and this is easy to do, they got these little old caps right here that just snap around that little old washer thing. So you just pry that little old cap off, and then you have a cotter pin that goes through the shaft there, and so you just pull that and then pull this off, and then just slide your wheel off of the axle. Now this one didn't just slide off really easy. That's why my son did it. He had to work to get it off because it was really dry, and so we had to just about beat it off. And then we discovered that this bushing right here, that is part of the bushing right there, but it's gone. See how loose that is at the bottom? And you don't realize it because the weight of the mower keeps it pulled out all the time. And so you're just, like I say, we gotta, I'm gonna show you how to, we're gonna pull this off and replace that bushing. And it's a bushing like this right here is what this is. That's exactly what is worn out and gone. But anyway, let's pull it off. Got one bolt here, and I think it just slides out at that point. And then we can grease it up good. Put the new bushing in. I got another bushing in there. And then grease it up good, and then slide it back in, and see if that don't fix it. Let's see how close I got here. Yeah, I believe that'd be it. Let's see here. Loosen it up. Take them almost all the way off there. Good. I got it tied on there. That. Alrighty. I want to get between there and just pry that up a little. Pry it off. There we go. Kind of set that to the side. Pull your little bushing off the top. Gotta unhook this so we can pull this on out. That is this part is hooked to this. So we gotta just take that little. Let me get a pair of pliers and I'll take that loose. Just like on your taking your wheel off, there's a little cotter pin right there. Y'all see that? Yeah, little cotter pin there, and then this can slide out now. You have to get that off there first. There we go. Now then, look at that. Now that just slides out. I still want to get that out of there and clean it up. This is supposed to keep junk out of there and bad design, poor design. But keep some stuff out, I guess. And there's that bushing. See that? That's what's left of that bushing. Here's what that bushing is supposed to look like. That's actually a wheel bushing, but it's real close. But that bushing is just gone. So, clean this up a little bit. This bushing here is gone too. Just seen that bushing right there is worn on the back side. So it's gone too. So we gotta have 2 bushings and then grease it up and put it together. Got the grease. You just want to make sure that you get these things clean and get all the junk off of them. There we go. Now then, they look a little better. Alright. Now then, a bit better. And this is a job that you need to do and get your hands dirty. They're dirty anyway, so just get you a little bit of grease, work it all down there. All up and down it, even on that square part. That way it's easier to come off next time when you get ready to take it off to grease it again, because you want to grease these things at the end of every year. And if everybody did that, which nobody does, myself included, but if everybody did that, you'd never wear those bushings out. Alright, there we go. Now let's go get it back on the mower. Oh, that's what I use to clean with. Any kind of carburetor choke cleaner, or brake cleaner, or something like that. Anything to do. Alright, let me get our new bushings and then we'll go put it on the mower. Alrighty. I always bring my lid because there's always something you need a little bit more grease for some ungodly reason that you forget, or I do. Alrighty, I'm going to set that up there. Here's our new bushing. Here's our new bushing at the top. And here is our thing that holds the wheel on. Whatever that is. I'm going to turn this around because it'll fall out now that I got it greased good. I forgot to put this on. So I'm going to grease that inside and out and drop it on here as the spacer. There you go. Now then, we can put our bolt back in, and that took up the space. This going into that wheel is going to be real hard to do. So that's what the grease is for, the extra grease that I brought out. You always need a little something. So just get you a little on your finger. Make that good. We got grease on the axle. Big screwdriver. Oh, I forgot to show you anyway. Now that goes down in there. A little easier. Alright. That's good and tight. Got your spacer on. Got your steering bar back on. Now then, still got your bushing on the inside. Slide your wheel on. Now, as that goes on, you have to find the hole. Where's the hole at? There's the hole. Find the hole. Put that washer on. And then push your cotter pin through. And then you want to bend this end of the cotter pin so it don't come out. And now you can take that little old deal there and pop it back on. Alright, make sure everything's still going tight. All your stuff's hooked up. Steering wheel works. But, I think I got a little play on this side, so we'll probably have to do this side also. Although this bushing looks a little better there. Alright, I guess that's it for now. Oh, it's a Craftsman. Craftsman T1400, if you can see it through all the dirt.